Hi, hello. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 15, we will learn about the advanced tool of Shape Builder tool like Live Paint Bucket tool and Puppet Bucket tool. Let's explain you everything in detail. So as we know the previous video, we can generate the some different shape with the using of multiple shape by using the shape builder tool. If you want this shape will be attract, okay, just select everything, go to shape builder tool. I want this shape, okay, just click here, double click and go to here. This will be removed. Okay, so with the help of shape builder tool we can generate different shape from multiple shape like that. Okay, so this is the shape and I want to explain you another shape, another advanced tool like live paint bucket tool and live paint selection tool. This both are the advanced tool and I will explain you in this lecture. Okay, so advanced step, I want this shape should be repeated. Just a minute. Okay, rotate tool. Just a minute. Alt key, press the Alt key and generate. Control D to generate new shape. Okay, this is the flower. Okay, and I want to the color of different like that. I want here is red color, here is yellow color, here is pink color. If I select this area, I can make a one color, different color, but I want this area also like that. So if you select this all, we can fill all color in same color. Okay, and I want to the color of this area also, here also, here also, different color. Okay, so this is possible only with the help of live paint bucket tool. Live paint bucket tool we can fill the area whatever you want. Okay, I want yellow color should be over here. Just a minute. I want yellow color. Just a minute. I want yellow color over here. Just a minute. Here, here, here. I want yellow color over here. Okay, and some more another color is green color. I want just zoom in, zoom out. Here I want green color. It is not possible over here. Here is the some shape error, and I want another color, red color here. Okay, like that, and another color is blue color here. So this is the one is attractive design. Okay, now I want to remove the outline of this like that. So one object will be created. Okay, if I want change something new color, so it is not possible, because if I fill another color over here, it's not possible. Fully color will be changed like that. Go to here. I want color change, but not possible. So here is the one more option is live paint selection tool. Live paint selection tool. With the help of live paint selection tool, we can change the color of or here something new color like that. Here I want brown color. Okay, so this is possible with the help of second option is live paint selection tool, or another option is this. Select everything, right click and go to isolate selected group, but it is different from that. Okay, isolate selected group. means there I can't fill this area to different color. Right click here. With the help of right click and go to there. Just a minute. Right click. With the help of isolate selected group, we can't add here new color. But the help of this tool, live paint selection tool, we can. Okay. So I have explained here 3 tools. One is shape builder tool. With the help of shape builder tool, we can generate multiple shape to new shape like that. And go to shape builder tool. I want this area should be attract. This area I want. Okay. So this will be removed. Just a minute. I want to select everything. Default. I want this area to extract. Okay. Shape builder tool. With the help of shape builder tool, just select. With the help of shape builder tool, I want this area should be come out. Okay. Just go to selection tool. This area will be removed. Okay. With the help of shape builder tool, we can generate new shape with the help of multiple shape. Okay. Here is also possible like that. You can go to there. I want this area. Okay. This only hexagon I want to extract with the help of shape builder tool. So here is the possible. Shape builder tool, go to there, group, and here is the possible. Okay. Now second one is a live paint bucket tool. Live paint, with the help of live paint bucket tool, we can fill the color of shape whatever you want like that. Zoom out. I want to color like that. Okay. So in this video, I will explain you the shape builder tool, live paint bucket tool, and live paint selection tool. Okay. We will meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.